She just showed me separate. You apparently that girl at work. Yeah, she had seen it from Aiden. So she thought she got it. And then she was like, "Oh no, Aiden was so angry when you told her I'd be angry." She got hilarious because she said that you didn't show me in any No, I didn't. I still have that.
All right, here we go. Let's say we have something that looks like this. Secant over 1 over cosine minus secant over cosine equals negative tangent squared. And you go, what? All right, so where should we start?
Let's not do it.
We got a complex fraction going on here, I hear. So what should we do there? Somebody says, isn't 1 over cosine already secant? So can't we just change that to secant? So we got secant of x over secant of x, which is going to be 1 in the next step. But we'll wait till the next step for that. What would you do on the second one? Keep it? No. Change secant into 1 over cosine of x over cosine of x equals negative tangent squared of x. All right. So you say secant over secant is 1. So we got 1. All right. So then this complex fraction we got going on right there, 1 over cosine of x over cosine of x. How can we get rid of a complex fraction? Multiply by the denominator of the denominator, right? Well, what's the denominator of the denominator? 1. That doesn't do anything for us. So we could multiply instead of the denominator of the denominator by the reciprocal of the denominator. So let's multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator. 1 over cosine of x, 1 over cosine of x. So the denominators cancel. And the numerator is 1 over 1, which is 1, over cosine times cosine is cosine squared of x. And all of a sudden it's like 1 and tangent squared. Oh, I think I got a Pythagorean identity with 1 and tangent squared. What would it be, McKenna Shaw? The 1 and tangent squared? Pythagorean identity? The middle one, which is, say it out loud. Secant squared of x equals tangent squared plus 1. So if this comes to this side, it's 1 plus tangent squared would equal secant squared. So if this could be secant squared, I'd be done. Is that secant squared? Sure it is. So 1 minus secant squared equals negative tangent squared. So 1 minus secant squared is negative tangent squared. So as you can see, we've ramped up the difficulty just slightly. Not too much, but just slightly there with that one. Okay. Let's say we have, cotangent of x, cosine of x, minus sine squared of x. Yeah, that's cotangent of x, cosine of x, times sine squared of x, times cotangent of x equals no, I'm not done yet.
We should just skip it.
All right, let's just do this one. Hello. Down to the office. Okay. Yep, bye. Mr. Sims, to the office, please. Okay, this one I made too simple for you, but here we go. Tangent of x, cosine of x, plus sine squared of x, cosecant of x equals 2 sine of x. What do we do? First step. Sine of x over cosine of x times cosine of x plus sine squared of x times 1 over sine of x equals 2 sine of x. That's a lot?
Cancel the cosines, cancel the sines. Cancel the sines, cancel the cosines. And then you can take the squared out, and then it's 2 sines, this sine.
That's actually not bad. Once your brain catches up to what we're all doing, then it's not too bad. And now your brain is caught up.
You take one of the sines out, so then you have sine plus sine, which is 2 sine.
Okay?
Yeah.
Sorry.
43, 48 all.
So we're good with that, right?
43 through 48 all. Have you been called out? No, I haven't yet. No. 43 through 40.